Guys, hello everyone. Hope you all are fine and healthy. So today also I'm going to talk about the basics of C++ part 2. So if you haven't watched the previous video, first go and watch that. After that you should watch this because then only you can draw the clear picture in your mind about what is happening. So let's dive in the depth of this lecture. The contents which I'm going to cover in this lecture are operators, comments and some sample problems, that is some programs that we will discuss at the end of this lecture. So now first see what the operator is. Operators are special types of functions that takes one or more arguments and produces a new value in return. That is, you can perform various types of operation through this. See, we know that what the operator is. We have already worked with this in doing calculation, etc. etc. The basic operator that we know is addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. And we all know what these operators perform. So here, we should also get aware of one important term, that is operand. Suppose you are adding two numbers, that is 5 plus 2. So here the plus sign is the operator and 5 and 2 are the operands. So remember this, that operator lies always in between of the operands. In C++ there are many types of operators, and they are assignment operator, relational operator, mathematical operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, unary operator, ternary operator, shift operator and comma operator. Now let's see what these operators are in detail. First is assignment operator. Equal to is called the assignment operator. It is used to assign a value. That is, it copies the right value to the into the left value. That example, int a equal to 5. Here the value 5 is assigned to the variable a. Now comes the mathematical operator. It is used to perform various mathematical functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And here you should get aware about the new operator, that is modulus operator. It is represented by percentage sign and it is used to calculate the remainder. Then the third operator is relational operator. It is used to find the relation between two operands, or we can say it compares the two operands. Example are less than, greater than, or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than, equivalent, and not equivalent. And please focus on the symbols. Symbols are the more important. See, less than sign you all know, and here I have mentioned in the bracket also, and same for greater than. And for greater than or equal to, it is like first greater than sign and then equal to. And for equivalent, it is double equal to sign. For not equivalent, it is first the exclamation mark followed by equal to sign. Please do remember all the symbols. Now the next comes is a logical operator. These operators are and or. And is represented by double and symbol, and or is represented by two vertical parallel lines. See here, I have mentioned in the bracket. These operators are used to compare two different expressions. Remember expressions, two different expressions. And is valid when both the expressions are true, and or is valid when either one of the expression is true. Next comes the bitwise operator. When we have to change something in bit of a number, when we have to change something in the bit of the number, then we use the bitwise operator. And also one thing, it doesn't work with the floating point, that is with decimal number. Remember this thing. As of now, you all only remember what the particular operator do, that is what is the function of the particular operator. There are four types of bitwise operator. Here I have mentioned. First is bitwise AND, then bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise NOT operator. I have mentioned the symbol of the particular operator. Please do see to this. Now comes the shift operator. It is used to shift the bits of the number. It is used to shift the bits of the number. See, in the bitwise operator, what you do, change the bits of the number, but the shift operator is used to shift the bits of the variable. It is of three types. Left shift, represented by double less than sign. Second is right shift, represented by double greater than sign. Third is unsigned right shift, represented by triple greater than sign. And next is unary operator. It works with only one variable. By the name only, we can understand unary operator, that is unary that depicts one. The two main unary operators are increment operator and then the second is decrement operator. And also there are some other unary operator that are address of represented by and sign and new and delete. These operator we will use basically with when will be working with structure and pointers of C++. So you don't have to worry that it is how it is used. As of now, you only get aware of what is it. The two operator with which we are left is ternary operator and comma operator. So what is ternary operator? The ternary if else. It is represented by question mark and colon. These operators are used with three operands. Now let us understand how is this operator used. See, suppose we have declared a variable that is int a equal to 5. Here we have assigned the value 5 to the variable a, and after that we have applied a condition a greater than 2. If this condition and then question mark, and if this condition is true it will print true and return here cout true, and if this condition is false then it will print false. So the syntax is condition then question mark, and then what you have to do if that condition is true then colon, and after that what you have to do if the condition is false then terminate it with semicolon. Now the last is comma operator. By the name only, we get that it is used to separate variables and expression. Suppose you have defined a variable of int data types, then you can define it be like int a comma b comma c, terminate it with semicolon. Here a, b and c are the variables separated by comma of the int data type. Now the next topic is C++ comments. It is mainly used to provide some extra information about the code you have written. That is, it is used to explain the code to the reader. Anything written as comment will not be displayed in the output screen. Here are two types of comment: single line and multi-line. Single line comment is used to display the comment in one line only. It starts with two forward slash. Anything written after the two forward slash till the end of the line will be considered as comment. And the second is multi-line comment. It is used to write the comment in multi-line. That is, it starts with forward slash and hashtag and ends with asterisk and forward slash. Anything written between them will be considered as comment. See here, I have written a program that adds two number. This is very basic program you all must know. First, I have declared a two variable a and b of int data type separated by comma, and then I have also declared a third variable c of int data type, but I have initialized a value 0 to c by using an assignment operator. Then I have printed the statement for user understanding, that is enter the two number you want to add. Then with the help of scene function we will get the two number entered by the user and will be stored in variable a and b. And then see, what I've done is added the two number and stored the value in the variable c. See the program, and in the next line I have printed that result. Please focus on the statement carefully. All the lines should be written carefully and should be terminated with semicolon. And also have a look into the output screen. What I have get as a result. As user has entered 2 and 4 and the result we get is 6. Now also try by yourself by replacing the plus operator with the subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus operator and see the result. Now next program which I am going to discuss is to swipe two number. That is to swap two number to exchange the value of two numbers. The basic of this program is to exchange the two number and it can be easily done by using third variable. Here also, first I have declared two variable a and b of int data type and then the third variable c also, and then asked user to enter the value of a and b. After that, by using the third variable, we will swap the value. So let's see what the actual thing happening here. What is the logic used? So let's see what's the actual thing happening here. The statement c equal to a copies the value of a to c. Let us assume that the user has entered as a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. Therefore, this statement C equals to A depicts that C equal to A equal to 10. That is, now the value of C is also 10. And after this statement, A equals to B is written. So now A value will be override and will be holding that the B value is holding. So now the value of A will be 20. And remember, till now the value of C is 10. Now the next statement is B equals to C. Now the value of B will get override and become as same as the C value is holding. That is, the value of B will be 10. So now notice that by doing this, the actual value that has been entered by the user is now swapped. So this was the logic behind this entire program. Kindly go through the presentation, read and understand carefully. Hope you all learned something new. So I'm ending up here with the today's lecture. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Do something enriching. If you have any doubt, please feel free to reach me. Thank you once again. Bye bye.